In my opinion, it is the best used truck money can buy. How's it going, you guys? Welcome back to EV Garage. Today we are going to be talking about the top 5 best reasons you should own a Toyota Tundra. This is my 2009 Toyota Tundra that I bought used with 150,000 miles on it. I don't want to explain a huge backstory or a huge intro, so I just want to hop straight into the top 5 reasons on why you should own a used Toyota Tundra. This applies with the new Toyota Tundras as well, but this is just my experience after ownership of 2 years on this 2009. To start the list off, we are going to be talking about this motor that comes in the Toyota Tundra. Now what I'm talking about is the iForce 5.7 liter V8 that comes in the Toyota Tundra. You can also get a 4.7 liter V8. Personally, I've just been driving with the 5.7 liter and I have absolutely loved this engine. Just the sheer power that this engine comes with without having to do any major modifications to it. You can throw an air filter on it, a high flow one, and an exhaust system, get it tuned, and you are set. That is all I've done to this truck over the past few years, and it has just been a powerhouse. Now the power that comes with this truck from stock is unbelievable. This 5.7 liter V8 can go 0 to 60 in a sheer 6.4 seconds, and that is talking about a 6,000 pound truck. Pushing out 381 horsepower up to 400 horsepower with minor mods and 401 foot-pounds of torque, this engine is a hell of a powerhouse. So in my opinion, that is one of my top favorite things about the Tundra, is just the overall power, and the throttle response is great. I've appreciated every single time I have been stuck in a situation where you have to gun it and get around, or gun it to get out of something, and it just moves. It spins those back tires easily, and I have 33s on here. And talking more about the engine will bring us to 2, which is the reliability. If you own a Tundra or have even heard of a Tundra or any really Toyota, you have heard about reliability. One of the main reasons I bought this truck was for it to live up to its name of being one of the most reliable trucks on the market. And without a doubt, with 150,000 miles on it and me putting another 50,000 on it, absolutely the most reliable truck I've ever had. And not only just the most reliable truck, but reliable car in general. My entire family has been driving different cars all throughout the time I've been alive, and this has been the most reliable one. So yes, it definitely lives up to the hype of it just being extremely reliable. I have had 0 problems with this Tundra, other than just regular maintenance, swapping the oil, checking the filters, checking all the fluids. If you just keep that up, these trucks will get up to the 500, 600 million mile range. They are just indestructible. And moving on to number 3 is going to be the ease of working on this truck. If you ever do end up having something small you need to replace, because I know you have nothing major with the Tundra, it's going to be super easy to work on. Stuff like spark plugs and other regular maintenance things, I have been able to all do myself. With a nice ground clearance from stock, I do have a leveling kit on here, but stock level as well. I could install an entire exhaust, change the oil, do anything I need to underneath the car, and the engine bay is quite roomy to be working in there. Although there is a V8 inside this engine bay, it is roomy enough to do whatever you need to do, any type of work, any type of maintenance. I know it is filthy in here, but it is very easy to work on in this engine bay. It is also very easy to do any type of modifications you need. Small things such as headlights or big things such as front bumpers, rear bumpers, wheels and tires. Easy to do. The entire exhaust took me a mere hour of just bolt-on exhaust, and overall just everything's kind of spread out for the ease of working on it. Moving on from that is going to be number 4 in my opinion, which is the build quality. These trucks come very well built. Slamming the door and doing whatever you do on a regular basis with these trucks, they pretty much handle everything. Overall, just been super happy. I'll just drop the tailgate. Yeah, it's a solid truck. I have had no issues with the build quality on this truck, and that includes the interior. The interior is just basic designs. You know how Toyota is, they haven't changed nothing, and it stands for itself. Everything just is solid. The that does bring me into number 5, which is going to be comfort on this Tundra. So I do have a double cab, which is smaller than the crew cab model. I do have a back seat, and I do have tools and stuff in there right now. But it is very roomy and very comfortable. I have never had passengers complain about being too squished up or anything like that. It has a great headroom for if you're taller. Just the seats are overall comfortable from factory. The steering wheel is nice. Everything in this truck is built well and very comfortable. The interior, I give it a solid 8 out of 10. Compared to my Nissan 350Z, garbage compared to this. And just even moving on with the newer year Tundras, I've been in a couple and they're just as nice, if not even better. But really, in result, I have absolutely loved owning this Tundra. It has been a great experience, no problems, nothing like that, but that is my top 5 list on my favorite things about the Toyota Tundra. And if you are looking into buying one, 100% pull the trigger. It is a great, great vehicle. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.